Hello students, this is fourth part of important MCQs of basic physics. Now first question is dash is study the interaction with light with matter. Optics is study the interaction with light with matter. The velocity of light in vacuum is 3.3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. When light travels from one medium to another medium, which factor is changes? Velocity, direction and wavelength, all three factors changes. When light travels from one medium to another medium, which factor remains constant? Frequency remains constant. A wave of single frequency or wavelength, it is called as monochromatic light. When ray of light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, its direction changes, it is called as refraction. When light rays travel from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Now question number 8 is, when light bends from optically denser medium to optically rarer medium, it bends away from normal. For a given pair of media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction, it is constant. The statement of Snell's law is, this is the statement of Snell's law, B option, sine I upon sine R is equal to constant. For any two media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is Ri of second medium with respect to first medium. Which of the following equation is correct? And the answer is C, equation ID is correct. Then Ri of vacuum is 1. The unit of Ri is, it is unitless. Ri of water is 1.33, while Ri of glass is 1.5, Ri of diamond is 2.42. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium and when angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, total light reflected in the same medium, this phenomenon of light, it is known as total internal reflection. TIR means total internal reflection. 1 ampere degree, it is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. The conditions of TIR are, third option is correct option for TIR. Sorry, D option, that means both A and C. Light travel optically denser medium to optically rarer medium and I is greater than IC. This option is correct option. Then question number 22. See question number 22. A thin fiber of glass or plastic, they carry light from one end to another end. It is called as optical fibers. The optical fiber work on principle of TIR. Fiber optics mainly used in all, that means sensors, lighting and toys and telecommunications. The Ri of core is greater than Ri of cladding in optical fiber. The condition of T for TIR is all of the above, that means A, B, C, these are the conditions for TIR. The central part of optical fiber, it is called as core. Then question number 28 is, the collection of light waves of an optical fiber, it is depend upon core size and numerical aperture. The part of optical fibers are core, cladding, primary and secondary coating. The sign of acceptance angle of the optical fiber, it is called as numerical aperture. The light gathering power of optical fiber, it is called numerical aperture. the maximum angle made by light ray with fiber axis so that light can propagate through the fiber after TIR. It is known as acceptance angle. The cone in which light incidence at an acceptance angle and propagate through optical fiber after TIR, it is known as acceptance cone. Then question number 34 is, if the angle of incidence is larger than the critical angle, then phenomenon of total internal reflection occurs. In fiber optic thread, refractive index of inner core is higher than cladding. The angle formed between normal and ray entering a medium, it is known as angle of incidence. A ray of light strikes the surface of mirror at an angle of 30 degree with mirror. The angle of reflection is 60 degree. The light is form of energy produced by luminous object. An example of non-luminous object is the moon. The phenomenon by which the incidence light falling on the surface is sent back into same medium, it is known as reflection. According to law of reflection, I is equal to R. Question number 42. When light travels from vacuum into glass block, its speed decreases. Question number 43. Angles made by incident ray with reflecting surface, it is called as glancing angle. The sun is visible before the sunrise and after sunset because of following phenomenon, that is refraction. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 mm per second. What will be the speed of light in glycerin, whose refractive index is 1.47? Speed of light in glycerin is 2.04 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate the angle of refraction in a medium. If the angle of incidence in air is 48 degree and index of refraction of medium is 1.58, angle is 28 degree. Angle of refraction is 28 degree. A ray of light in air strikes a block of quartz at an angle of incidence 30. Calculate Ri of quartz material. If an angle of refraction is 20, it is 1.46. Ri of quartz is 1.46. A ray of light incident on the surface of water at an angle of incidence 70 degree. A ray is derived through 25 degree towards the normal when it enters water. Calculate Ri of water. Ri of water is 1.33. A light ray enters water medium making an angle 60 degree with the water surface. If it suffers deviation of 15 degree, calculate Ri of water. Ri of water is 1.93. In question number 50, light travels from air into optical fiber with refractive index 1.44. Calculate angle of refraction inside the fiber if the angle of incidence on the end of fiber is 22. In which direction the light bends? R is equal to, that means angle of refraction is equal to 15 degree and it bends towards the normal. The light travels from air into optical fiber with refractive index of 1.44, reaches the end of fiber and exits into air. Calculate the angle of incidence on the end of fiber if angle of refraction outside the fiber is 30 degree. In which direction the light bend? I is equal to angle of incidence is equal to 46 degree and it bends away from the normal. Question number 52. Light travels from water into air with angle of refraction 8 degree. Calculate the angle of incidence if Ri of water is 1.33. Angle of incidence is 10.6 degree. How long will the light take in traveling a distance of 500 meter in water? Ri of water is 4 by 3 and velocity of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. V is equal to 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, while T is equal to 2.22 into 10 raised to minus 8 second. A light of wavelength of 6000 ampere in air enter a medium of Ri 1.5. Calculate wavelength of light in medium. It is 4000. Calculate velocity of light in water and glass if their refractive indices are 1.33 and 1.5 respectively. It is velocity of light in water and glasses. For glass it is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and for water it is 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Question number 56. Calculate Ri. Calculate Ri of glass if its critical angle is 42 degree. Ri of glass is 1.39. The light traveling through an optical fiber of refractive indices of core and cladding are 1.56 and 1.48 respectively. Calculate critical angle. Critical angle is 71.56. The Ri of core and cladding are 1.60 and 1.49 respectively. Calculate critical angle of core and cladding interface. It is 68 degree 37. Then calculate numerical aperture of core and acceptance angle if Ri of core is 1.5 and cladding is 1.46. And the answer is 1.477 and 50 degree. The Ri of core and cladding are 1.54 and 1.50 respectively. Calculate acceptance angle. The acceptance angle is 20.40 degree. Calculate the numerical aperture and acceptance angle of an optical fire. The option B is the answer. Na is equal to 2.734 and angle for optical fiber is 21.76.